Hey guys, welcome back. I know it has been a long time since I uploaded a video here, but today is your lucky day because I am going to be unboxing 3 rare alocasias that were on my wish list for a very long time, and I just received the first one from a local nursery in my area called Vriksha Nursery. Don't worry, I'm going to leave all the links down below for you guys for every seller that I'm buying from. So this is the Cuprea that I have just received, and I am really excited to just get it out of the box and see how it looks and what condition it's in. So without further ado, let's just get into that. So I got this one for 1600 rupees, and for shipping within Mumbai they send it via VFast, so that was 150. I normally do not give prices, plant prices out on YouTube, but I know all of you are going to ask me anyway, so that's what I got it for. It packaged it really well and secure, so I like that. Like, I don't see any damage on the leaves when I look into it from here. The other two that I have ordered, that is the Dragon Scale and the Nebula, I actually ordered those from a seller on Facebook. And those should arrive in 2 days. So I'm going to also unbox those for you right after this one. And here it is. And it looks good. None of the leaves are damaged. I think this is probably the newest leaf, so it's big. These ones are the baby leaves. So it's come with 3 leaves that do need a little bit of a wash. I think it's a little dusty. But yes, I finally have a Cuprea. I've always wanted one. I'm so happy with it. Look at the shine on this one. I'm not sure if the camera is able to capture it, but look at this leaf. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's so pretty. I think I just need to water it a little bit. It's not dry, but it's, yeah, it could use a little bit of watering. So this is it. This was the Alocasia Cuprea that I just unboxed for you. And coming up next is the Dragon Scale and the Nebula. Okay guys, so the other 2 plants, that's the Dragon Scale and the Nebula, have just arrived. Here it is. It's quite a compact, tiny packing. That's because I actually ordered for 2 saplings. Dragon Scales, I mean the mature ones at least, normally always sell for like anywhere between 2,500 to 3,500, and I cannot afford that yet. So I decided to just get the next best thing, which were saplings. Let me just get it out of the box because I'm really excited to see how it is, whether it's in good condition or not. The last time I did an unboxing video for the Nebula, it was a total disaster. The leaves, like every single leaf was damaged and broken, and all I was left with was a tuber, which I did try and revive. It almost did, but finally it just rot away and I was left with nothing. So this is my second attempt at the Nebula at least. In fact, if you want to see the disastrous unboxing video, I'm going to link that up top for you. So have a look at that if you want. Now let's just get this out of the box. I'm super excited. I really hope she's done a good job with the packing. I have no idea how I'm supposed to open this. I can't figure it out, so I'm just going straight at it. She's most probably shipped this bare root, in which case I won't be potting it up into soil right now. I'll probably stick it in water for a bit, or maybe in some stagnant moss. until it just recovers from the whole transit, since it's come all the way from Kerala. And the reason I'm going to be trying this method is because normally whenever I've gotten a plant, an alocasia, like the last time I got the Nebula, I think even that had come bare root, and then I potted up in soil and all the roots are rotting away. It started dropping all of its leaves. But previously when I ordered for a silver dragon, I did a different method on that one. I actually stuck it in a vase with water overnight, and that one recovered really well. It did not drop a lot of leaves, and I started putting on new leaves really quick as well. So I think the whole sticking it into water method works for me. Everyone has a different way of handling plants that they get shipped. I think the water method does work well for me. Just letting you guys know in case you want to try it out too. I can see them. A little sneak peek. Can you see them? Oh, these little babies. I'm trying to make sure I don't cut any of the leaves. Just give me a moment. There's quite a lot of tape here, hence the struggle. I actually also received another plant today from Ugao. It's not an Alocasia, but I'm still going to show it to you guys once I'm done unboxing this. Alright, okay, it's out. Okay, so inside this she's also wrapped the individual saplings. Like this, yeah, this side up. Okay, so this one is the Nebula sapling, and this one is the dragon scale sapling. I'm so excited. Okay, which one should I open first? Let's open the Nebula first. Let's leave my favorite, my wish list plant, that's a dragon scale, for later. I'm sorry about the sweeping sound that you can hear. The housekeeping of my society is, well, doing his job right now. For some reason I always pick this time to shoot my videos, so it's pretty much always there in the background. Oh. So here it is, the tiny Nebula sapling. It's really tiny. Wait, why are there like two? Okay, no. Yeah, so here it is. It's got 3 baby leaves on it, and it's in a net pot with coco peat, and it does have plenty roots. Wait, you know, let me get it out of this cling wrap so you can see what the roots look like. Since it's in coco peat, I could also just pot it up, like just take the net pot out and pot it up, but I don't think I want to risk it. I don't know what to do. I honestly don't want to kill these babies this time. I want there to be leaves on them, and I want it to continuously grow. There you go. So yeah, it's got plenty of roots. You can see the healthy white roots. This is real juvenile. It's quite a juvenile leaf. I can see the red. Yeah, I don't know how to show it to you though. I can see the red spots on the stem. It doesn't have the red backing as yet because it's still juvenile. But yes, I'm excited to try and keep these alive without killing them. without them dropping any leaves. So I'm going to leave that aside, and now let's get the dragon scale out. How do you guys, you know, take care of plants that are shipped bare root or like without a pot? What do you guys do? I really want to know, because I could really, I mean, everyone could learn something new. Everyone has different techniques, like I said earlier. If you do something that works for you, please do let me know. I would like to try it. Alright, so this is the dragon scale sapling. There is one, this is I think the first leaf, so this one's turned a little yellow, but it does have two healthy leaves right here. And let me check the roots on this one. Alright, it's out. Okay, yeah, this one has some nice healthy roots too. It's not sticking out of the pot, but if you do look closely inside the net pot, you will be able to like see the roots. Right about there, you can see the little white roots. So yeah, even this one's healthy. Sorry. And I don't know, should I or should I not pot it up? That's the question. And yes, I'm so happy I finally have a dragon scale, even though it's just a sapling. Cute, here it is again. This one will just die off on its own, so I won't even bother with it. But yay. Okay, now, since I'm anyways recording and you're here, this is my Ugawa parcel that just arrived, and like I said, it's not an Alocasia, it's actually a philodendron micans. I've always, micans or micans, I don't know how you pronounce it, however you pronounce it, micans, that's what it is. And you know, I keep watching pictures of it on Instagram, and I really love the velvety leaves, and I wanted one. I only have one philodendron, which is the philodendron Brazil, and it's hanging right up there on my window, and it's doing really well. So I'll add another one in. So let's see how this one is. Oh, in case I forgot to tell you, I got the dragon scale sapling for $450 and the Nebula sapling for I think $350 or something like that. The seller's name is Blooming Home. I will link down to her Facebook profile in case you guys want to check it out. She has a lot of plants, a lot of Alocasias especially. And I'm quite pleased with how she's, you know, sent everything. I actually placed an order for these plants on, I think, 23rd November. But I was out of town, so I requested that she send it to me when I got back, and she did that. Normally when you buy a plant, they want to just ship it out to you immediately. Alright, let's get it out. And there it is. The bill. Here it is. The micans. And it's so cute. I just want to show you. Quite healthy. None of the leaves are damaged. another hanging plant. I hope it goes soon so I can make it trail down my window like that one. Okay, so that was it. 3, I can't say rare alocasias anymore because the Nebula, Cuprea, Dragon Scale, Silver Dragon, all of these are quite readily available in the market now. There's been a sudden surge since the beginning of this year and everyone has it. You name it, whether it's Facebook sellers, whether it's your online sellers, whether it's your local, couple of local nurseries that do keep them. They are available, so I can't say rare, but yeah, you know, they're like hard to come by at a reasonable price alocasia plants. So yeah, I'm really happy that I got them and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I will link down to all of these sellers in my description box, so in case you guys want to check them out, please go ahead and do that. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. See you guys soon.